Right of eastern.
Actually, dito, sa
Left on
fourth intercostal space, left part.
Left part.
Na hindi man ito, V4 na. V4. Fifth ICS. Yes, V4 naman na. Fifth ICS, mid-clavicular line. V3,
between the
V2 and V4. V5, fifth ICS, anterior axillary line. V6, and that's it, fifth ICS. Those are the placements of your from the ECG.
ECG.
Did everyone get that?
No.
You read. Okay. Ulitin na, ulitin.
Ulit.
Ulit. Lance.
V4.
Sige, kaya mo yan.
Sa V1,
Stand.
yung V1, doon muna sa may right na 40 intercostal sa may parasternal border. And then yung V2, same lang doon pero left naman. Tapos para hindi malito, unahin ikabit yung fourth lead. So yung fourth, doon siya sa may fifth intercostal mid-clavicular line. And then halfway nun, yung halfway nun, doon mo ikakabit yung V3. Yung midpoint, yung midway ng V2 and V4. Tapos V5 is mid-axillary line. And then, anterior axillary line. And then yung V6 is mid-axillary line dito na sa yun. Tapos ito yung anterior axillary.
This is a normal placement of your ECG. Now, in certain cases where you have inferior wall infarction, where you suspect right ventricular involvement, ang paglagay ng lead nun ay V3R, V4R. Mirror image ng V3 dito lang sa kanan. At saka V4 dito din sa kanan. Those are additional leads. You can do it usually hanggang V5R, V6R kung kailangan. Pero usually, RV, mirror image ng V3. Ng V3, so V3R, right? V4R to investigate your right ventricle. Okay.